Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Luqman Hakim bin Muhammad Firdaus. My matrix number is 200962 and this is my mates.
My name is Muhammad Afizuddin bin Ibrahim, 202428.
So our academic presentation is about the importance of bioluminescence to aquatic animals. So do you know how firefly produce their own light? So firefly produce their own light using a phenomenon called bioluminescence. So they don't have any electrical switch or circuit. So they use this phenomenon to produce lights. So do you ever seen a phenomenon like this? So this phenomenon is called blue sand, and this phenomenon is caused by the algae. So what is a bioluminescence? Actually, bioluminescence is the production and emission of light by living organisms. So we could know that algae is actually a living organism. So why the bioluminescence is very important to the aquatic animals? So the first one is for attraction to fulfill their basic needs as they are a living organisms, and the second one is for defensive mechanism, especially for prey. So moving to the next point is attraction to fulfill basic needs. So the basic needs that needed for living organism is like food, mating, and territory. So we as human also need all of these elements to fulfill our basic needs. So uh, the 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 main point of the three elements is the attraction. So the attraction, the first one is first and foremost is to attract mates, where for example, male Caribbean ostracods, which also crustaceans, attract the females using bioluminescence on upper lips. So this is one of the video. So from this video, we could see that these crustaceans are using their upper lips on using bioluminescent phenomenon to attract their mates. So number two is the bioluminescent were used to attract prey. For example, like latent fish and hatchet fish hunting by using the bioluminescent on his head to attract the fishes to him. So this is a picture of hatchet fish and latent fish. I bet you all know about the Latin fish that most of us have seen it in the movie, I think the Finding Nemo movie. So this is one of the video of the attract prey. So some of the sharks in the deep sea or in the ocean are using this bioluminescence to attract prey. So small amount of lights is already enough for them to attract the prey as they are living in the deep sea, in the oceans. So I'm giving the next slide to Hafiz.
Thank you to Lokman. Now, I will be talking about defensive mechanism. This is totally about how they would defend themselves by using this bioluminescent process. So that I will explain 2 points, which is escape from predators and camouflage. Next, the first point, escape from predators. Tomopteris and other squids also use bioluminescent particles and luminous cloud to make an escape. How? It is easy. By using these bioluminescent particles and luminous cloud, they will confuse their predator at the first place. Later on, they will make an escape as it is a great opportunity for them to swim away from the predators. This step is really essential and really effective for the prey to make an escape from the predators. And next point. The second point is camouflage. Camouflage, in other words, we could say like mimic the environment or the surrounding itself. As we know, the deep sea ocean have like really low or no concentration of sunlight. As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of firefly squid. The bottom one is the squid that not use the bioluminescent process yet, while the upper one is they have done the bioluminescent process. And as you know, as we can compare between the deep sea environment, which is really dark, the upper one is not easily detected by the predators as you can only see tiny spot of light. Compared to the below part or the bottom part, you can easily detect it. This is also essential for them to avoid being create a shadow. So when it's like upper layer of the sea, they can actually create a shadow. And sharks, example of predators, can detect this shadow and straight away hunt the prey. But if they did the bioluminescent process like this one, even the sharks can find the shadow, they couldn't find the prey. So this is really important for them to camouflage as to make an escape, as they didn't do anything, just sit for still, and the predators will run away by itself. Okay, moving to my next part, which is the conclusion. So what could we say about this presentation? So the first one is bioluminescence is really important to the organic aquatic organism, especially the deep sea creatures, because they didn't have any light source that could gain from light from sunlight. So bioluminescence process can actually give them a new light source so they could do the fulfill their basic needs like for mating, for hunting, and also to defend themselves from any danger. So it is our job to really conserve our nature and ocean so this process could be done by themselves without any interruption of human behavior or activities. So that's all from both of us. Thank
Thank
you.
you.